Avant de regardez la vidéo, likez la vidéo et abonnez-vous à la chaîne.
Since the fall of Geese Howard, the city of Southtown has never been the same. Its people have grown complacent, and once fearsome warriors roam the streets like stray dogs. And though his legacy remains here in my keeping, it does so with no heir apparent. If there are any left in Southtown with fangs that bite, with claws that tear, with the ruthlessness and undying spirit of a true warrior, come to King of Fighters. Who will inherit the legacy of the fallen Emperor? Let the last wolves of this city determine that for themselves. Stroheim. Tizoc, the masked fighter, was once a champion uncontested. That is until a certain loss broke his spirit and ended his career. However, his young fans refused to give up on their hero. Indeed, it was their tireless support that drove Tizoc to return to the ring with a vengeance at the previous tournament. One day, a letter from a young fan arrived at his door. The boy had suffered an accident, badly injuring his leg, and it was Tizoc's fighting spirit that inspired him to persevere. Tizoc thus pledges to emerge victorious at the upcoming King of Fighters. If not for himself, then for the brave boy who believed in him.
And so you stand before the beast. I hope you've made peace with yourself.
Round one. Get ready. Fight. SPD.
Here go. Is that all?
It's over. See. Yeah.
Not so fast.
That's it. Hurricane. SPD.
Here goes.
Be good. I'm not done. Be good. Round two. Get ready. Fight. SPD. That's it. Hurricane.
Damn you.
I admire your passion, your aggression, but I cannot stand idly by as you bring harm to the weak.
I'm here to fight. No more hesitation. Let's go. Hope you're ready for this.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight SPG.
Here goes!
Punish.
This hurricane!
No problem at all.
Flip it over! This hurricane!
PG.
Here goes! I swear on my mask!
No escape.
Here goes! Artemis! Take this! Silent wave! Flip it over! Flip it over!
Tizoc wins. Round 2. Get ready. Fight SPG.
No escape.
Take this! You're going down! Flip it over! This hurricane!
No problem at all.
SPG.
This hurricane!
No problem at all.
Take this! This hurricane!
Tizoc wins.
As long as I wear this mask, I remain a pillar of justice for the children.
Do you have the conviction to do what is necessary? Show me how you hunger for the taste of victory.
Round 1. Get ready. Fight
Flip
SPG.
it over! This hurricane!
I'm Forza Flamme!
Flip it over!
Wide punish.
Take this!
Wide punish.
Forza's Rondo! Forza Flamme!
Flip it over!
Forza Frenza! Dead!
Wide punish.
Dead!
Overseas.
Silent wave! My spirit burns!
PG.
Not quite!
This hurricane! Flip it over!
Dead!
Flip it over!
Forza Frenza!
My spirit burns!
Cool down.
You think it's over?
Flip it over!
Forza Flamme!
Flip it over!
Forza Flamme!
Tizoc wins.
As long as I
it's over.
Justice Hurricane!
PG! Schwarze Flamme!
Over here! Gunbolt! Punish! Justice Hurricane! Lift it over! Why punish?
Take this!
Justice Hurricane!
Now!
Tizoc! Wait!
Heart alone may not always win the day. I cannot honestly disagree with you. That as long as there is injustice in the world, as long as there are children to inspire, I will never stop trying.
Got a death wish? Alright, let's do this!
Round 1! Get ready! Fight and PG! Justice Hurricane! PG! Here go! Justice Hurricane! PG!
Let's
This
go!
is over! Here go! Lift it over! Justice Hurricane! Lift it over! Here go! Here go! Part of it! Tizoc wins! Round 2! Get ready! Fight! And lift it over! Here goes! Punch! PG! Lift it over! Justice Hurricane!
Not bad!
Lift it over! Lift it! Here go! Part of it! This!
Let's go!
Damn it! Tizoc wins!
Your burning spirit stirs every fiber of my being. To be continued. Farewell!
You look like a real fighter. I ain't up to much, so how about we go a round or two? Sound good?
Round 1! Get ready! Fight! And PG! Touch!
I swear on
Rock you! Here go! Rock you! Eat this!
Not done yet.
Lift it over! Overheat! That's it, hurricane! Here go! Burning! Catch you! Yeah! Right and wet! Get burning! Cool down! Yeah! Big! Close one! Flip it over! Yeah! Flip it over! Yeah! Flip it over! Flip it over! Flip it over! That's it, hurricane! Tizoc wins! Round 2. Get ready. Fight. Rock you! Rock you! Wide punch! Wide punch! 1, 2, dodge it! Not done yet! Not done yet! Here go! Yeah! Here go! That's it, hurricane! You're going down! Big! Oh! Tizoc! Winning it all!
If there are fans in the stands, I will always rise up, no matter the odds.
Well, lo and behold, looks like I'm up against the trick-or-treating Birdman. I was hoping I'd be taking a swing at a real opponent, like Raiden.
Mr. Khan, it would seem that you have a less than favorable opinion of my abilities. You'll understand that I can't have the children sharing that viewpoint, so I'll have to change it. By force.
Oh, give me a break, why don't you? I know all about you. Didn't you try to hang up the mask for good when you first realized you were all washed up? Cluck all you like, but trite threats from a hack like you mean absolutely nothing to me.
I'm ashamed to say you're not wrong. Once upon a time, I did turn my back on all the children who supported me. But it was the purity of their hearts and their eternal belief in me that beckoned me back to the ring. I will not falter again. I, the mighty Tizoc, solemnly swear it upon my very mask.
Oh, good for you. I'm real touched. Sob story or not, you better be ready for me to bring the pain. I don't give a crap who you say you are. I'm not losing the championship to the likes of you.
I am, of course, prepared for the worst you can muster. But be warned, you are clearly underestimating the strength and tenacity a professional wrestler is capable of. I am invincible!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight.
That's for the books, folks.
Bullseye.
This'll hurt.
Dropping in.
That's it, hurricane!
Take this. Bullseye.
That's it, hurricane!
Come on.
Flip it over!
Bullseye.
That's it!
Yeah.
Here go! Part of it!
Tizoc.
A stunning performance on both sides.
Round 2. Get ready. Fight.
Flip it over!
Bullseye.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Flip it those with evil in their hearts are all fated to fall before the mighty Tizoc. I did it, kid. I have emerged victorious.
Oh man, what a shame. Looks like you lost there, Billy boy.
Of course. KAIN's lucky, huh? What the hell are you doing here?
So, let's just say I was insurance, in case you lost the fight. So, how about a rematch, big guy? One with Geese's legacy and your pride on the line. You wouldn't say no to that, would you?
Can't be. You! I fought you 3 years ago!
Good memory. That's right. I'm the one who showed you up way back when. A professional showman versus a blood-spitting, genuine street rat. Two worlds collide, wouldn't you say? If you're inclined to avoid another embarrassing loss, you can always just hand over the legacy right now. What do you say, tough guy?
I would be lying if I said I felt no fear. But all the same, I accept your challenge. I cannot afford to let the children or my past self down. Be warned, the Tizoc of today will not be defeated!
Round 1. Get ready. Fight. This for the book.
Ah, shit!
This hurricane! Take this!
So that's how it is.
Flip it over!
Burn flash!
This hurricane!
That's PG.
Here go!
No hard feelings!
Here go! Artemis! Take this! This hurricane!
Tizoc.
A stunning performance on both sides!
Round 2. Get ready. Fight. SPG.
Burn to ash!
Flip it over! This hurricane!
So that's how it is.
Take this! Not done yet!
No hard feelings! Ah, shit!
You're going down!
Say your prayers!
Here go! Flip it over! Flip it over! I didn't... I cannot lose! What do I like, ladies and gentlemen?
Sweet dreams.
Final round. Get ready. Fight.
Flip it over!
Burn to ash!
Flip it over! This hurricane! Flip it right!
Punch.
Big!
PG.
That'll leave a mark!
Just getting warmed up. Burn to ash!
Flip it over!
Ah, shit!
Flip it over!
Burn to ash!
Goodbye!
Burn to ash!
This hurricane!
Tizoc.
A stunning performance on both sides. As long as your heart harbors injustice, you will never gain true strength. Make the choice. become better.
You're different than before. How the hell did you get so strong?
When we first met, I fought only for myself. But after the crushing defeat at your hands, I realized that my true strength comes from the people who believe in me. The mighty Tizoc is no mere man anymore. I'm no longer alone.
I see. I think I know where you're coming from.
But you too are strong. I may have escaped the jaws of defeat this time, but only narrowly.
Do you think he's really gonna show? You know, I heard he was in pretty rough shape.
Yeah, but this is Tizoc we're talking about.
And now, the moment you've all been waiting for! The main event!
Dear Tizoc, I hope this letter reaches you okay. If it's alright, I wanted to share a secret with you. You remember my leg injury, right? The one I told you about? Well, I'm still having a lot of trouble walking. Luckily, though, the doctor tells me there's a chance I can get back on my feet. I just need to have surgery. But he also said, if something goes wrong, I might never walk again. I was really scared. I wanted to hope, but I couldn't. So I kept telling the doctor I didn't want to do it. But then I thought of you, Tizoc. With you, it never mattered how scary something was or how hurt you got. You always came back to the ring with your head held high. I'm sure rehab must have been really tough on you. A lot of people were saying your wrestling career was over. I can't imagine what it must have felt like to hear that. But seeing you come back from the brink like that made me realize how silly I was being. And that's when I made up my mind. If you can keep fighting, so can I. I'm with you, Tizoc.
Ah! The mighty Tizoc enters the ring!
He's finally here!
Mess him up, Tizoc!
Thank you! Thank you!
I've got one final favor to ask. My operation is at the same time as your match. So, would it be okay if I shouted your catchphrase with you?
Of course you can, kid. Let's win this thing. Together.